Welcome to the AI Millionaire Movement, where we uncover powerful AI tools that can help you level up your skills, side hustles, and digital presence without spending a dime. In today's video, we're diving into 3 incredible free AI tools that can turn your ordinary photos into professional quality shots. Whether you're building a personal brand, running an online store, or just want to upgrade your selfies, these tools are game changers. Let's face it, having high-quality images is non-negotiable in today's online world. Whether it's a headshot for LinkedIn, a product photo for your Etsy shop, or just something that pops on your Instagram feed, your visuals need to stand out. But hiring a professional photographer or learning Photoshop can be expensive and time-consuming. That's where AI comes in. These tools use powerful algorithms to enhance, edit, and retouch your photos in seconds with no experience needed, and best of all, they're free to use. The first tool on our list is Remany. Remany is one of the most popular AI photo enhancers out there, and for good reason. It uses deep learning technology to sharpen images, restore details, and improve facial clarity. You can take a blurry, low-resolution selfie and turn it into something that looks like it was taken with a DSLR camera in a studio. Remany works particularly well with portraits. It detects facial features and enhances them, smoothing skin, defining eyes, and improving lighting. It's ideal for profile pictures, dating apps, resumes, and even digital modeling portfolios. The free version allows you to enhance one photo at a time, and while there are ads, it still delivers incredible results. Just upload your photo, hit enhance, and let the AI do its thing. Within seconds, you'll see a side-by-side comparison of the original and the enhanced version. It's honestly mind-blowing how much of a difference it makes. Next up is Photo Room, a tool that's especially useful for creators, entrepreneurs, and online sellers. Photo Room lets you remove and replace backgrounds in seconds. But that's just the beginning. It also includes studio-quality features like drop shadows, color correction, and even preset templates designed to make your photos pop. Let's say you're selling a product on eBay or Etsy. With Photo Room, you can snap a quick photo on your phone, remove the cluttered background, and replace it with a clean, white studio background or a custom one that matches your brand. You can even add lighting effects, shadows, and gradients to make your image look like it came out of a magazine. And if you're a content creator, this tool is perfect for making eye-catching thumbnails or social media posts. What makes Photo Room really user-friendly is its drag-and-drop interface. You don't need to know anything about photo editing. Just upload, click Remove Background, and explore the preset styles or design your own. The free version includes tons of features and exports your photo in HD quality, although you'll see a small watermark. Still, it's a small trade-off for such high-end results. And finally, we have Canva's AI Photo Enhancer. Canva is well known for graphic design, but its AI photo tools are incredibly underrated. Inside Canva, you'll find features like auto enhance, retouch, brightness and sharpness correction, and even face smoothing. What makes Canva stand out is that it blends photo editing with design, so once you enhance your image, you can instantly drop it into a professional-looking layout, whether it's a business card, flyer, YouTube thumbnail, or resume. The workflow is seamless. For example, you can take a regular headshot, use Canva's Auto Enhance to clean up the lighting and clarity, and then place it into a modern resume template that makes you look like a corporate rockstar. The free version of Canva gives you access to most of these features, and they're constantly adding more AI-powered tools like Magic Edit, Magic Eraser, and even AI-generated backgrounds. If you're someone who wants to create polished content quickly without switching between multiple platforms, Canva is a one-stop solution. So to recap, Remany is your go-to for enhancing blurry or low-quality portraits. It makes your selfies look like professional headshots. Photo Room is best for background removal and e-commerce-ready photos. It adds studio-quality lighting and design in just a few taps. And Canva gives you AI-powered enhancement plus design freedom all in one place, so your polished photos can immediately be turned into compelling content. Now, let's talk about why this matters. The quality of your visuals can literally make or break your first impression online. Whether you're applying for jobs, building a brand, or trying to sell something, presentation is everything. These AI tools give you a massive advantage. You no longer need expensive gear, software, or skills. You just need a decent photo and a few minutes. AI handles the rest. And here's the kicker, you can also turn these tools into income streams. Think about it. You can offer photo enhancement services on Fiverr or Upwork using these AI tools. You can start a side hustle helping small businesses upgrade their product images. You can even launch your own branded content using professional photos created entirely with AI. The possibilities are endless. So if you're still posting unedited selfies or dull product shots, it's time to level up. Download these free tools, try them out, and watch how they elevate your content, whether it's for business, branding, or just making your social media look amazing. Thanks for watching the AI Millionaire Movement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let us know which tool you're most excited to try. And as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep building your digital empire with AI. See you in the next video.